Hi, this is Diana from Yarn Eddies here with a quick video to demonstrate how to slip stitch crochet into the front loops. After you have a length of chains completed, turn your work to slip stitch into the back bump of the chain. Insert your hook directly into the back bump of the first chain. Don't skip the first chain. Sometimes you may need to coax that bump up by pulling it up with your fingers or a yarn needle. Insert your hook into the bump, yarn over, pull through the bump loop, then pull through the other loop on your hook. Insert your hook into the next bump, yarn over, pull through the bump loop, then pull through the loop on your hook. Continue the length of your chain. At the end of the row, you should have the same number of slip stitches as your original chain. So if you chain 15, you should have 15 slip stitches. Now you are ready for the next row. Turn your work and chain 1. Insert your hook into the front loop of the first slip stitch. Yarn over, pull through the front loop, then pull through the loop on your hook. Continue the length of your row. Your stitch count should remain the same. This stitch is fantastic for creating a flat, dense, non-curling fabric with reduced stretch, and it is my go-to stitch for creating purse and bag handles. When using this stitch, it is recommended that you use a somewhat loose tension. If you crochet too tightly, it will be extremely difficult to insert your hook into the stitches, especially if you're using 100% cotton yarn, such as sugar and cream, as I am using in this video. As you complete rows, your work will tighten, become more dense, but continue to be flat. Thanks for watching this Yarn Eddies crochet quick tip video. Please hit the like button and click on subscribe for more crochet quick tips.